Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix iCSee camera keeps going offline, Wi-Fi signal, power supply and app connection guide. Fix 1. Check the camera power supply. Make sure the power adapter is firmly plugged into the camera and wall outlet. And if you are using an extension cord, try plugging the adapter directly into a wall socket. If possible, test with another compatible power adapter and wait 1 to 2 minutes to see if the camera reconnects. Fix 2. Move the camera closer to the Wi-Fi router. Place the camera closer to your Wi-Fi router and remove obstacles like thick walls or metal objects between the router and the camera. Refresh the camera in the iCSee app. If it stays online, the original location has a weak Wi-Fi signal. Fix 3. Restart the camera. Unplug the camera from power and wait for about 30 seconds. Now plug it back in and allow the camera to fully boot and reconnect. Fix 4. Restart your router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and wait 30 to 60 seconds. Then turn the router back on and wait for the internet connection to return. Then check the camera. Fix 5. Reset and reconnect the camera. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a prompt or see the indicator light change. Now wait for the camera to restart and open the iCSee app, add the camera as a new device and complete the setup. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.